Hey, so my wife over here
is a starving wife over here.
She came up with the idea that we go out to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, I think the one out in Inglewood. So we're on our way to go do that.
Mainly because I need some soul food. I have had soul food probably about 8 times in 10 years of being in California. And Roscoe's we found this year for the first time finally. And that's the only place I know that I can get some down-home soul food that I know I'm gonna like. It may not be the best as far as everybody's concerned, but I know I'ma like that shit.
So we're gonna go in and get some soul food. And I already have it in mind that I'm gonna do some chicken and waffles. We're gonna be surprised to see what my baby's gonna do. So we'll be back at you. And we might have a surprise stop. That's all I'm gonna say. Famous Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles.
Yeah, we finally made it.
House of Chicken and Waffles. Out in Inglewood on Manchester Boulevard. We have a 15-minute wait. So that's what we're gonna do is wait. Getting it in, bro. You happy?
Oh, hell yeah. Who's not happy? Now that stupid viewer who feels that we should be reviewing chitlins and stuff like that can shut his pot because we're at a soul food place.
Yep, here we are.
Randy's big ass donut from Friday. No, sir, it's not big ass donut, but Randy's from Friday.
Randy's Donuts. Randy's Donuts.
To Randy's Donuts. What we got?
I got
damn cookies.
Yep, some crumb cake, donut, apple fritter, a couple peanut butters, and a thing of oatmeal raisin. I was actually going for their chocolate chip, was supposed to be famous, but they were out.
Crummy. Look at that crumb cake, mother. Ooh, ah,
damn.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think we'll review these when we get home.
I might eat mine.
Are you?
I might. Yeah, it was suggested we do a review of that, but I just couldn't wait. Look at this. Look at this. This crummy and fried goodness. Tastes like what did I say? Like that? Fried dough.
With apples in it.
Fried dough with apples in it. Not too damn bad. Not nice. A nice little snack when you're waiting on the directions to where you're going next.